Hello and welcome to the course, Finding and Writing Requirements Using Lean Use Cases. I'm Tom Hathaway. I'm going to be your instructor for this course, and we're going to give you a clear definition of what use cases are, and we're going to discuss a thing called the Lean philosophy, which comes out of lean manufacturing and finding ways of eliminating waste. We're going to give you an idea as to what the difference between use cases and user stories are. User stories are a phenomenal tool for expressing requirements at a specific level of detail, as are use cases. So we're going to contrast those two and give you an idea as to what the differences are, what the strengths and weaknesses of each are. We'll also introduce you to the use case model, which consists of representing a use case in the form of a diagram, as well as related specifications, which are typically textual. We're going to talk about the components of a use case and what do you need to do in order to make sure that the use case components that you are creating are lean, or following the lean philosophy. We'll also give you 3 very specific methods for capturing or identifying use cases, finding use cases using different techniques to make sure that you have a good set of use cases. This course is designed around exercises. We're going to be doing a lot of quizzes, a lot of exercises, assignments to give you an opportunity to take what you're learning here back to the workplace when you're done. We'll also provide you with a very clear set or very comprehensive set of downloadable resources that you can use that will help you implement the ideas in the course. And we're going to offer you several interesting related links, topics that we feel if you're interested, you can go out and increase your depth of knowledge about the specific topic. The ideal student for this course is about 8 feet 5 inches tall. In reality, the ideal student for this course has an open mind, is willing to learn, is interested in the topic of developing use cases for information technology, or actually expressing the requirements that a business or an organization has on their information technology developers in a variety of forms, including, of course, use cases and people that are interested in lean, making sure that we remove waste from the process of defining what information technology can do for the business community.